Owen's Mongolian chicken cooked with Owen. I'm going to run through the ingredients with you that I think I heard when he did the presentation or demonstration back in Bradford. Okay, I did some videoing, but apparently it is on his website. Check it out. But you know me, let's go for it. Chicken is in the fridge. I'm going to chop it all up, and I'm then going to put it in a bag overnight with paprika and some corn flour. Okay, and then tomorrow I'm going to then fry it up with the following: ketchup, garlic, ginger, spring onions, a chili, some sweet chili jam thing, a bit of honey. There's going to be some sesame seeds. I'll need a bit of sunflower, olive oil. I'm going to need the magic salt and pepper, soy sauce, and before I make the Mongolian chicken, I'm going to have to make, it's a pleasure, make some more South African bowls. Because if you were listening and following, last week I made chakalaka, chutney and Owen's South African bowls for an equestrian trip. Now, I met with someone yesterday, and the big horse, cost of bloody Ferrari, kicked itself on the way down to Hickstead. Yes, you heard me, it kicked itself. Gash on its leg. They do have these like rubber thingies round the legs for when they're travelling, and it's a band and a water band and everything else. And needless to say, well, they've asked me, Mabel has, if I can make her some of Owen's bowls. Mabel lives in Wetherby, which is on the way to the motorway, so I'm going to freeze them and drop them off whenever we get down to it. I've got my onions, I've got my meat, I've got everything else, and yeah, a bit sad really, all that way down to Hickstead and find out that, anyway, they had a good time, you know, hoi hoi and laugh and a giggle. And there's a few other horses, but anyway, the big one didn't make it to the quarterfinals, I'm afraid. It was okay. I met it yesterday, you know. Gave me a little nod. As you can see here. Mabel, I'm making your balls. Owen balls cooked with for Mabel. And afterwards, I'll then start with the... Mongolian chicken. Unfortunately, the phone just dropped there, and it didn't drop in the water. I've got to use that gorilla thing. I'm just lazy, that's it. Just lazy. Everything's all out. Ready? Whey! Let's get on with it. The rumour's out that I'm making this Mongolian chicken. Neighbours are chomping at the bit, and one of them was very kindly come round and given me some Marks and Spencer chocolate eclairs to have with my tea. And she probably wants to be on the first on the list. It's like an Owen fest here. I'm actually having my own Owen's balls here. I'm going to have them with passata. Now that's good. The ingredients for the bowls for the equestrian team. There we are, that's it. And I've still got all the ingredients everywhere. I really forgot it. Mongolian chicken tomorrow. Which there's Owen. Yeah, and I haven't even thought of it. While Owen's balls are cooking in the passata, tomato, roll the balls for the equestrian team. I'm calling this the Owen move. Don't give up your day job. Rolling those balls. How cool is this? They're ready now to freeze for the equestrian type ladies, and there's my tea for tonight. Owen's balls in passata tomato sauce for chakalaka chutney, or I might even make someone put it in the garlic and everything. Where were we? Mongolian chicken. Let's get back to from Wheaton's chicken breast, grain-fed, locally sourced chicken, and I've got my paprika. And I don't know whether Owen put some salt and put it in there, leave it in the fridge overnight, and now there it is in corn flour, paprika and the chicken in an Asda bag. Yeah, I think I'm going to have my tea first. To recap, 3 MasterChef dishes at the same time in a Mobilvetta Motorhome kitchen, which is 2 meters this way and 1 meter that way. I think we should have a television show about that.
Or a challenge.
3 MasterChef dishes in one go in a motorhome. They want naan bread. I mean, what is this? A bloody cafe? Oh, dear oh me. I tell you what, I might just give them some of this Owen's chutney. That'll blow their mind. Back to Owen's Cook with Owen Mongolian chicken. And there's the chicken cooking. It smells divine. Suspecting it's crisping underneath. We'll have a look in a minute. As predicted, crispy chicken. The chicken has gone to one side. And now I start the sauce. Return the chicken and give it a good stir. All that chicken is covered in that beautiful sauce. One Cook with Owen. Check him out. Master.